Hi, I am Asif Hussain, an RPA solution architect for Royal Cyber. This is a solution introduction for automated car insurance claim processing. The solution has multiple components, including a chatbot for customer interaction, RPA bot for operating backend applications, and a machine learning engine for decision making. This is how it works. A customer appears on chatbot hosted at insurance company's website. Chatbot asks certain questions to determine how it can help the customer. If the customer wants to initiate a claim, it asks questions to know which policy customer wants to claim for. This triggers an RPA bot that goes to a backend system such as Guidewire to fetch policy-related information. If multiple vehicles are insured under this policy, the chatbot asks customer to select the vehicle for which the claim is to be filed. The RPA bot takes the feedback from customer to select the vehicle to backend system. Similarly, based on policy information it gets from RPA bot, the chatbot asks customer to select the driver who was driving while the incident occurred. The chatbot now asks multiple questions to start filing the claim for the damaged vehicle. Then the chatbot calls an API to a machine learning engine that is trained with thousands of similar auto insurance claims, based on which it can decide if the claim is likely a fraud or not. If it looks like a fraud, further processing can be handed over to a human by opening a ticket for a human inspector. If the claim is under a significant risk score for a fraud, the chatbot proceeds to ask for the images of the damaged vehicle for assessment. Customer can take these pictures from any mobile device. These images are uploaded. The uploaded images are processed by machine learning based engine that identifies and assesses damage. And based on the repair or replacement of parts required, cost of repairs is estimated. These estimates can be communicated to the claimant by the same chatbot. Now the RPA bot enters the claim and all the details of assessment into the claim processing system, and in return also communicates the claim reference number generated by the system to the customer by chatbot. The damage assessment and estimation report is emailed by the RPA bot to the case officer in the end. For more information about intelligent automation and RPA, please visit royalcyber.com.